Friends, it's me Umesh. Welcome to Nurse Queen YouTube channel. This video includes important topics and points which will be helpful for your coming exams.
Dear friends, today fifth part of 100 important question series for staff nurses and nursing officers. Today I include some important nursing management topics and nursing education topics. So let us start. First question. The superintendent of the hospital belongs to options: first level of management, middle level of management, top level of management, third level of management. Correct answer is top level of management. Superintendent of the hospital belongs to top level of management. Top level of employees looks at the hospital as a whole, coordinating, make decisions with few guidelines and structures. Top level employees look at the hospital as a whole, coordinating, make decision with few guidelines and structures. Examples of top level employees are nursing superintendent, medical superintendent. Their jobs are policy making, strategic planning, etc. Some examples are nursing superintendent, medical superintendent. Their jobs are policy making, strategic planning, etc. Middle level employees. Middle level employees are examples are head nurse, assistant nursing superintendent, etc. Their job is to direct implementation, coordinates the activities between top and low level person. Middle level employees coordinates the activities between top and low level employees. Low level employees usually involves their own basic works. First line. These are the first line employees. Staff nurses are the example of low level employees. Their job is direct bedside care. Their job is direct bedside care. Middle level, according to nursing unit, middle level assistant nursing superintendent and low level staff nurses. Next question. The component of administration is options: organization, budget, evaluation of the report, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. The component of administration is organization, budget, evaluation of the report. These three includes component of administration. Components, that means elements of administration. We all studied in BSc nursing. Components of administration, that is post-corp. Post-corp is the short form, first letters of these seven, that is post-corp. For easily for studying, you can study like this: post-corp, planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, reporting, budgeting. First line, this all post-corp. So that is the elements of administration. You don't forget, that is the components or elements of administration. Next question. Planned educational activities provided in a job setting is called options: continuing education, job description, job analysis, in-service education. Correct answer is in-service education. In-service education is the planned educational activities provided in a job setting. So if you are working as a staff nurse, they will be conducting some classes in between your working hours. That is in-service education. In-service education is a type of education that is provided to the employees while they are on the job, so as to improve their working capacity and efficiency. You may have experience in your hospital. In-service education is a type of education that is provided to the employees while they are on the job, so as to improve their working capacity and efficiency. In this period, you may get a class regarding how to wear personal protective equipments properly to care with corona patients. Concepts of in-service education are planned education activities. in-service education service is the planned education activities. It is pre-planned and provided in job settings, closely identified with service, help staffs with a poor work quality. Concepts of in-service education are planned. It's a planned educational activity provided in job settings, closely identified with service, helps staff with a poor work quality. Next question. The process of guiding people what to do and seeing that they do it to the best of their ability is termed as options: coordinating, directing, staffing, organization. Correct answer is directing. Directing is the process of guiding people what to do and seeing that they do it to the best of their ability, called directing. Directing is a process in which the managers instruct, guide, and oversee the performance of the workers to achieve predetermined goals. Directing is said to be the heart of the management process. Don't forget, directing is said to be the heart of the management process. It's a process in which the managers instruct, guide, and oversee the performance of the workers to achieve predetermined goals. Staffing is the process of hiring eligible candidates in the organization or company for specific position. Staffing, you may know that you are hired as a staff nurse in the hospital to taking care of patients. That is the process of hiring eligible candidates, that is staffing. Fifth question. Monitoring the budget process is known as options: evaluation, audit, counseling, directing. Correct answer is audit. Audit is the monitoring the budget process. A nursing audit is the process of evaluating the quality of nursing care through the review of clinical records made by healthcare professional. You may have experience in hospital. Nursing audit is the process of evaluating the quality of nursing care through the review of clinical records made by healthcare professionals. Nursing audit helps healthcare institutions ensure that patients consistently receive quality patient care. Next question. The blueprint of what a teacher is going to teach in the classroom is known as options: unit plan, course plan, lesson plan, master rotation plan. Please carefully read the question. Teach in the classroom. That means correct answer is lesson plan. The blueprint of what a teacher is going to teach in the classroom is known as lesson plan. Lesson plan is the teacher's daily guide for what students need to learn, how it will be taught, and how learning will be measured. So lesson plan is the plan made for the particular class, that is lesson plan. Course plan includes not only the goals and the content topics, but also the entire course, how the topics will be taught and what the students will be during the course. Entire course you have to see. That is course plan. Difference between, I think you understood the difference between lesson plan and course plan. Lesson plan related to particular lesson, but course plan for entire course. That is the difference. Next question. Brief account of any incident that has been occurred, termed as options: audit, anecdotal, checklist, evaluation. Correct answer is anecdotal. An anecdotal record, that is the brief account of any incident that has been occurred. Anecdotal record is a significant record of conduct, an episode in the life of students, a word picture of the student, moment of incidents, narration of events significant about his personality. So there is a record that all include in that anecdotal record about a student. Significant record. It is like a short story that educators use to record a significant incident that they have observed. Anecdotal record include conduct, episode of life of students, moment of incidents, narration of events, significant about his personality. Next question. Lecture method is also known as options: role play, panel discussion, chalk and talk method, chalk method. Correct answer is chalk and talk method. Lecture method is also known as chalk and talk method. Panel discussion is defined as a discussion in which few persons carry on a conversation in front of the audience. Panel discussion is defined as a discussion in which few persons carry on a conversation in front of the audience. Lecture method is most widely used method of teaching. Lecture method is most widely used method of teaching. Role playing is also known as social drama. Sometimes questions may ask the other name of role play, that is social drama. Panel discussion is a discussion in which few persons carry on a conversation. So audience will be there, few persons carry a conversation and talking regarding a particular topic in front of the audience, that is panel discussion. Next question. Teaching is based on options: spiritual capacity, physical capacity, intellectual capacity, social capacity. Correct answer is intellectual capacity. Teaching is based on intellectual capacity. Teaching is a method, is the stimulation, guidance, direction and encouragement for learning. Teaching method is the stimulation, guidance. Teacher provide guidance, stimulating the students and provide direction to the students and encourage the students for learning. That is teaching. Main objectives of teaching are developing love for work. First objectives: developing love for work and desire to do work with maximum efficiency, which one is capable of. Main objectives of teaching are developing love for work and desire to do work with maximum efficiency, which one is capable of. Next question, last question of this video. Philosophy is the mother of all arts. It is said by options: Coleridge, Cicero, Henderson, Daniel. Correct answer is Coleridge. Is an important question. Philosophy is the mother of all arts. It is said by Coleridge. Philosophy is a term derived from two Greek words. Please listen. Two Greek words. Philosophy is derived from Greek word. Two words, that is one philos, that means love. Philos means love and Sophia means wisdom. You may get questions. Philosophy is a term that is derived from Greek word. Two words, that one word is philos, that means love, and Sophia means wisdom. Philosophy of education means love for knowledge or passion of learning. Philosophy of education means love for knowledge or passion for learning. Coleridge said philosophy is the mother of all arts, and he also said, Coleridge also said, philosophy is a science of sciences. Coleridge said philosophy is the mother of all arts, and he also said philosophy is a science of sciences. So thanks dears. If you not subscribe this channel, please consider subscribing, and we try to cover maximum portions from all the topics. So if you not subscribe this channel NerdSchool, please consider subscribing, and please take your maximum efforts to study and focus on your examinations. Thank you.